Tendo enigma. Kobangatayiko. An ideal woman understands that rapture is there. Every day of her life, she lives rapture conscious. We are umuzi wakhe ukuthi ube right. Ziyadelela zona lezi ngane futhi zama 2K zona. Kodwa umuzi ufukamele. Oh yeah. Makabona ukuthi umntwana sekamuhle kakhulu akasakhona ukuthi abemisa ko therapy amphuzise neashwagandha kodwa angakwazi ukuthi amakhele ubasket njengomama kaMoses, because we are living on a borrowed time. Awukwazi ukuphila uzama ukuyifihla lengane kodwa what you can do ungamakhele ubasket umnikezele to the same Nile River ukuthi nalabo abanye bayongena khona noma bengafaka imali bethi bayemshubeleni bayodansa kodwa wami inkosi amazulu ayakwazi ukumpakula. Ngoba ngifakile basketini yeba ngabe kuye the same facets that others are in kodwa wami uyogudla amakhala wama-crocodile. Yini ngoba ngesikhathi sesikolweni mina ngikhula imizimiki shade behesiya ila mahasiya ungalokhu ukhuluma kakhulu umkhuza sizaze singwabe wena before time. Abantwana bayakuphathisa ngestroke ube ne-depression ingakazi ibe khona kodwa makhela ubasket injalo. Lo mshado wakhela ubasket injalo. On a borrowed time. Hey, we can't lose you in the process. Utu David, he leads me beside quiet waters. Come on. He restores my soul. But he takes me to the greener pastures. Do you know that we are in a season of greener pastures? Yeah. But Uti in Magafia greener pastures, is he excited? He leads me to rest today. Hi, Mom. So figure about that was done. Why are you resting? It was not by my fault. It was not by my strength. It was not by my might. Kilala nje kola kuona manja ami. Hi, Mama. Wonga posti. How na imoti figile. Wonga tendisi. Wonga tell. Ah, it was not by my might. Not by my power. Namangas. Ipunyuke kanjani. Usho njalo ma. Kodwa namanje into engiyaziyo bengingaboni intombazanyana nje namakhalazi bewangahlangani kuyazama kodwa mayidoda edayi bazalwane sishayeleni izandla namakhalazi ayengahlangani kahle kodwa ever since ngafika eDesire amakhalazi ngathi ngiyakwazi ukumechisa bengintombazanyana nje eyi-orphan noma ngazi ukuthi sengifike njani in the palace kodwa kwasho ukuthi isikhathi inkosi yesikhathi kwakho indlu yakho. Put your things in order. The Lord is coming back. The Lord is coming back. Jesus. Stop crying. The Lord is stop mourning. Jesus is Jesus. Rather spend your time at Desire. Clean a carpet. Clean decor. Serve in the house of the Lord. Can't you are putting your house in order? Be rapture conscious. I'm not gonna ask for you to come in the altar call because the apostle will be ministering after. But I want you to raise your hands. Make a vow. I'm not gonna camp in the valley. Make a vow. I'm not gonna camp in the pigs. Make a vow. I'm not gonna camp in depression. I'm not Jesu inkosi ithika lapha emhlabeni. Jesu inkosi ithika lapha. Jesu inkosi ithika. Jesu inkosi ithika. Jesu inkosi ithika. Jesu inkosi ithika. Inkosi yasiyekisa. Esonta anointing. Wenza njani? Angazi but suddenly. Suddenly, our life. Suddenly, I know my identity. Suddenly, thina sibona umdumisi opowerful kanti ingelosi zothula.